welcome to our channel D Square Vlogs. Today I am going to show you an easy paper gift box. See, I have already made 2 gift box for you. When you open it, it looks like this. So for that you need a square sheet. Follow my steps carefully so that you can make this gift box very easily. So the first step is from here to this corner you have to fold and crease it. Creasing is very important because the folds will be easy. Open it and from this corner to this corner you have to fold. And you can crease it. Open it. Now, this edge to this edge you have to fold. See, like this. And crease it. Open it. And from this edge to this edge you have to fold. Open. Now you will, after folding, turn it back and you will be able to see a star. Now turn it like a diamond and from this corner, see this, from this corner to this middle line have to fold. And crease it. Okay. This opposite side also you have to fold like this. Now open both the sides. Now this corner to this fold. See, you have fold like this. Now this corner you have to fold till the middle line like this. Now again fold it. Now same thing with this side. Okay. Now you have fold like this, then you can see a middle line. You have to fold this till there. So these foldings, if you do, it will be very nice. Or you can directly fold like this. Okay. Now crease it. Okay. Now this folding, it will be a little bit of difficulty, so I am going to show you like this. Now open a bit like this. See, now it came like a pillow, right? Now here you can see a line. See, if you want you can turn back and see there's a line. Now take these to that line and crease it. See, like this. Take these lines fold it like this and crease. Friends, this fold is very important, so see this very carefully. See, like this you have to get. Now you have to crease it inside. And now same thing with this side, you have to crease it. Fold it and crease. See now. Okay. Now gently hold on the back side of the paper and fold it. And crease it. See, back side it will look like this. Okay. Now from this corner you have to fold it till the middle line. There will you can, when you fold it, you should crease it here. Then you will be able to see a line. Fold it till that line like this. So this fold like this to the opposite side you have to fold. Now top you can see a fold it to the middle and crease. Now fold it to the middle. Have to fold it properly. And crease it. Same thing with the other side. See why I am showing like this? Because these foldings are very difficult, so that's why. Okay. Now on the opposite side. Now on top. Now fold it to the middle. Like this. See, I'm just showing you the sample. When you open it, box. Now, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications. Bye friends.